Hello everyone. Welcome you all to PPT e-Pathshala. Today let's make the top 2 trending bar graphs that will help you to shine your presentation. Let's start. First, insert a circle. Change its dimensions. Align it in middle and center. Then insert an arc, change its width and color. Align it according to the circle. We don't need the circle, so let's delete it. Now increase its size. I am doing it by changing the dimensions from here, but you can also press Shift plus Control and stretch it. Then fill the gradient colors. Now go to Animation pane. You can see, from here this is not looking good. So let's insert a circle. Make it no line and fill with the gradient colors. Change the type to radial. And put the drop shadow. This looks perfect now. Now you can see it, and this looks amazing. So now shift it to left corner and duplicate it 2 times. Now insert a text box and type the percentage and make the following changes as shown in the screen. Duplicate it for other shapes. And change the content. Now the most important part. Hold the yellow dot and change the space of shape according to the percentage allotted. Now insert the content, and then put the animation to the content. Appear animation to the percentage text box, and set it to after previous. Then for the lower text box, first I will group both of them. And then put wipe animation. and make the direction from top. Use Animation Painter to copy the animation to other text boxes. Arrow is used to move the animation upward and downward. Finally, add the heading. Here you go. Now for the second slide. Insert a round corner rectangle. Change its dimensions. No outline, and then change its color. Drag the yellow dot and make its corner round. Increase its transparency. Then duplicate the shape 4 times. Then insert the text box and write your text. And place it in starting of the shape. And then duplicate it. And then add percentage text box at end of the shape. Again, duplicate the rectangular shape and reduce its length according to the percentage. Fill it with gradient colors and duplicate them to each shapes. And change its length according to the given percentage to the respective shapes. Change its color, then insert a circle. Change its dimensions. And align it at the starting of the shape. Fill it with the same gradient colors of its respective shape color. And make the type radial. Then add drop shadow to it. Go to 3D format. And add angle. Color. Also change its lightning to freezing cool. And angle to 60 degree. You will get something like this. Then duplicate it to all shapes. And change the color to respective color of rectangular shapes. Now go to Animation. And choose Wipe Animation for the colored rectangular shape. And change its direction from left. And choose Right Line Motion Path to the circle. Then Effect options. Change its timings. Make it smooth start and end. Use the Animation Painter to copy the animation to other shapes. Hold this red for, and extend its path. Make sure you change this for every shapes. Thank you everyone.